Today's video is on time management and smart question selection for OMPT examination. So OMPT is always tries to test you, so don't make mistakes which you get into do. There is nothing called a difficult question. They only give questions which is not so common and you have to reach for the question. Time and decision management is the best thing. So first 2 minutes is called the strategic scanning. You're not going to start solving. Yeah, others are solving, forget about them. You are going to give it some time. You're going to give it like the first 2 minutes is a scan all the sections, identify easy clusters and mark the risky zones for you, because EMH technique is easy and then moderate or medium level and then the hard level. So whatever is there, you have to do it. The 3-round attack plan is also there. Round 1 is the collection round, so collect sure marks and only solve the questions you know instantly. And then round 2, 40% of the time, that's a conversion round, solve the medium level questions and try to convert the potential marks. And round 3 is the 20% time, that is the optimization round, the revisit the skip questions and checking them as well, because in many of the cases 75% of the students don't do it in that way and they flunk. The 75-second rule is, if you stuck beyond 75-second, mark, skip and move on. Every time you do it, you can return it to it later, but in the first go, if you can't do and spending a lot of time, this isn't a good choice unless you have finished up everything. Okay, so the section wise time budgeting is going to be very helpful, like algebra 25%, calculus 25%, logic around 20%, and discrete area will be around 30% of the time which you need to dedicate. So the risk management with negative marking is attempt if 70% sure, skip if less than 50% sure, and think again if you stuck between. Okay, and remember that speed and accuracy and the balance in your thinking is very important, because many of the cases you try to be very quick and then suddenly you just fall into the trap. So after the speed comes the accuracy, or after accuracy comes the speed. Well, it's better if they come both. So the decision fatigue control has to be there. Too many decisions reduce the quality. So the same approach every mock you have to do it, same sequence every test, and you have to sit on the same boring posture, because that is going to happen in the examination as well. I'm there for you last 10 days, 5 days, 20 days, 30 days. I don't know when you are seeing this video, so just give us a call on WhatsApp and our team and I will personally help you out to get out of this messy situation.